We're going to start with the head that is a little bit more narrow on the top than it is on the bottom, like a really fat triangle. Little teeny tiny ears with the letter C on each side. A circle, another circle, circle on the inside. Then we're doing a J shape and then an L shape going around the eyes. Then a really small curve and then a J and then a backwards J. That's a little nose and mouth. Starting at the top, we're going to loop all the way around, back up past under where the mouth was. We're going to do little letter U's for the feet. Add just a random spot. I'm going to give my guy a little carrot. Just color in the eyes and that should be it.